Imagine a workspace where everything is organized, efficient, and safe. This is the promise of the 5S methodology, a cornerstone of lean manufacturing. Join us as we explore how the 5S method can transform your manufacturing environment. To kickstart your 5S journey, open the eAuditor app on your phone or tablet. Create a blank template and add fields for area, location, and auditor name. This digital tool will help streamline your inspections and track improvements effectively. Begin with Sort by removing unnecessary items from the workspace. Only essential tools should remain. Next, Set in Order by organizing tools for easy access and labeling storage locations clearly. This ensures efficiency and reduces clutter. The Shine phase focuses on cleanliness, ensuring work areas and equipment are spotless. Follow a consistent cleaning schedule. Then, Standardize by documenting procedures and using visual controls to maintain consistency across the board. To sustain your 5S efforts, conduct regular audits and encourage staff accountability. Continuous improvement is key, driven by training and clear standards. Empower employees to take ownership of their workspace and maintain high standards. Implementing the 5S method leads to improved efficiency as organized workspaces reduce time wasted. It enhances safety by removing hazards and cuts waste through standardized practices. Ultimately, it boosts employee morale and engagement. By adopting the 5S methodology, you can transform your manufacturing environment into a model of efficiency and safety. With eAuditor, tracking and maintaining these standards is seamless. Embrace 5S and watch your workplace thrive.